Speaker cleaner sound to remove water and dust. How do you do it? Here's how. First, open TikTok. Follow, like, comment, save the video, and tap share. Copy the link. Now head over to the App Store, search Clean Sound, and download the exact app. Once it's installed, open it, tap Allow, and turn your volume all the way up to 100%. And boom! The sound waves push out all the trapped water and dust, leaving your speaker clean, clear, and loud again.